Functional job analysis was designed in an attempt to create a single job analysis instrument that might be used to evaluate a wide array of dissimilar jobs. FJA is based on the notion that it is possible to systematically compare jobs that are dissimilar in the tasks they perform by focusing on several job dimensions or functional categories of job tasks rather than on actual tasks. Functional categories are broad categories of work-related activities that are applicable to all jobs and that focus on three distinct work domains related to data, people, and things. According to this approach, all jobs comprise these three job dimensions and vary in the functional levels or levels of difficulty associated with these dimensions. A popular form of the FJA approach is the Dictionary of Occupational Titles known as the DOT, created by the Employment and Training Administration and published by the U.S. Department of Labor. The DOT was eventually replaced by the Occupational Information Network. The ONET system can be accessed online or through a variety of public and private sector career and labor market information systems. Under the sponsorship of the Department of Labor's Employment and Training Administration, known as the ETA, ONET data collection activities are conducted by the National Center for ONET Development, located in Raleigh, North Carolina. Data are collected directly from incumbent workers in targeted occupations at businesses statistically selected from a random sample. These workers complete standardized questionnaires that are analyzed and incorporated into the ONET database periodically. The new occupational information is made available through the ONET online application and in downloadable ONET database files. The ONET database is a comprehensive source of information for more than 950 jobs. One of the primary advantages of ONET is that it serves as an online resource to help managers with the job analysis process. Managers can look at ONET as a starting point for job descriptions and an understanding of the specific knowledge, skills, and abilities to seek when filling a position, especially for jobs that might not have existed in the company previously. This type of standardized approach requires identifying underlying job dimensions that are applicable to a variety of jobs, allowing for comparisons of dissimilar jobs in meaningful ways.